Can you solve this? This is a very interesting question. 99% fail, right? Fail. So now let's solve this. 2 plus 2 minus 3 plus 3 times 2 minus 4. Okay, 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? Minus 3 plus 3 equals 6 times 2 minus 4. Now 4 minus 6 times 2 minus 2 equals, 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. Now 4 minus 6 equals minus 2 times minus 2. Now minus minus plus, so 4. But this is not correct. Why? Because parentheses first, right? Then exponents. Then multiplication and division from left to right. Then addition and subtraction. So follow the order of operations. Multiplication must be done before subtraction. Now let's solve this correctly. Okay. 2 plus 2 equals 4, right? Minus 3 plus 3 equals 6 times 2 minus 4 equals minus 2. Now multiply first. Multiplication must be done before subtraction. So 4 minus 6 times minus 2 equals minus 12. Right? Now minus minus plus, so 4 plus 12, and 4 plus 12 equals 16.